Hey, welcome back. This is Kim. I have another tip for you. Several tips, actually. These are some settings to change in Windows 10. Some cool features of Windows 10. Let's get started. I'm not sure if you've ever used CC Cleaner, but it's a program that helps you clean out like temporary files and clean up some of the excess stuff on your computer that you don't need. Now there's a built-in solution for that. It's called Storage Sense. I'm going to show you how to use it and set it up. So go down here to your search box and type in Storage Settings. Okay, well, there we go. It came up. So click on Storage Settings. Okay. It is off by default, so you'll need to turn it on. It says it can automatically free up space by getting rid of files that you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. That's exactly what it does. So you turn it on and click on Configure. So most people will be prompted to come here if they are running out of disk space. But even if you have plenty of room, it's a good idea to do this. It just keeps your computer cleaned up. So this will say it will run when disk space is low. We clean up enough space to help your system run its best. So you can choose a better schedule. Like I have mine set to do it every month. You can do it every day, every week, every month. So whether I have my disk space is low or not, it's going to run every month. You want it to delete the temporary files, so click on that. Delete files in my recycle bin if they have been there for over. So it's set for 30 days. You can pick any. If I have it in the recycle bin, I don't want it anymore, so I don't know. 2 weeks is plenty of time to decide whether or not you want it. I'm going to tell you a little story. I'm an IT administrator, and one of my people that I support told me that they use the recycle bin to store documents. So they actually keep every single thing they've ever deleted, because that's also where they store important documents. Why on earth would you store your documents in the trash? I don't really know, but not a good idea. Save them on your hard drive somewhere, not in the recycle bin. So anyways, we're going to delete the recycle bin if something's been in there 14 days. Delete files on my downloads folder if they haven't been opened for more than never. I don't care what's in the download folder. I'm not ever going to go back in there and get something. But every person's different. 30 days, I don't know. 14 days. If you're someone that goes back into that download folder to look for something, that you could put never. I'm going to do 30 days because I don't need to keep those download files. I can go download them again. So those are the settings. You can do it to clean now. I'm not going to do it right now, but if you're low on space and you need to do it now, do it now. You can always go back and turn this off if you decide you don't want to keep it, and all you do is turn it off there. If you turn it back on, all your settings are still there. So that's awesome. So yeah, that's called Storage Sense, and I find it useful. Another thing which is built into Windows 10, which I just recently learned about this, it's called Timeline. So you press your Windows key and the Tab key at the same time. Up, it will buy things that you've worked on, projects you've worked on and saved, documents. It will categorize them by days. Yesterday, September 16th, September 15th. So you could go back and look if there's something you were looking for that you don't remember where you saved it or something, you want to go back and grab it again, it's here, which is pretty cool. So anyways, it's interesting. You can use the slider, or you can just scroll back and down, up and down. You want to go back, just go back, and then you're done. And all the other ones are gone. Oh, I had this open, but we don't need the calculator. So that's cool. That's called timeline. You can turn it off and on. If for whatever reason you hit your Windows key and Tab key and it didn't open, I'm going to show you where to get to it to turn it on. So you go into settings, start settings. It's in your privacy tab. Activity history is right here. Oh, I'm going to turn this off. We don't want to send it to Microsoft, but you have to have this marked. Store my activity history on this device. If you don't have that on, then it won't work. At any time, you could clear it. So let's go ahead and clear it. Now if we go back to our Windows key tab, we don't have any of our history. So anyways, that's kind of cool. It's just a fun little thing. So here's another cool thing. Let's open up Word. You can use this in any software. I just want to show you what it is. If you hit the Windows key and the semicolon at the same time, it gives you an emoji keyboard. So you could just type. Let's see. Let's put a hamburger. There's our hamburger. You want it again? Windows key, semicolon, heart. Anyways, it's fun. So that's just a little cute little thing you could do. It's called the Emoji Keyboard, and you can treat it. It's treated like text. You can just delete if you don't want it anymore. Undo, bring it back. It's just cute. I don't know, throwing that in there. It's not a Windows security setting or anything, but I thought it was cute and fun. One last thing, kind of wanted to show you, is the dark theme. Someone asked me how to do this today, so I thought I'd throw this in here. So you go into Start, and then Settings, and it's under the Personalization tab, which is right here. Over here on Colors. This is where you can choose a lot of things actually, but so Windows mode is dark, but you can change your app mode to dark. And look, woo! I've changed the background of everything dark. So it made your search bar dark. It makes everywhere where you're going to type dark. It's a little bit easier on the eyes, to be honest. So like if we open up Chrome, now it's dark. So yeah, it's kind of cool. I kind of like it. It's play with it a little bit. If you don't like it, you can set it back by going to the same spot. Settings, Personalization, Colors. Let's go from dark to light. So then now it's back to light. So it's much brighter, obviously, because it's light. And then you could go back to dark. You can change your accent color, like right now it's blue, but let's say you really love purple. You can change it to purple. Let's see, so let's look at a file. This is now like a purpley color. Anyways, yeah, so it's fun. Another thing that's just for fun. I changed this. It's no longer blue, it's more of a lavender-ish purple. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video today. There's a lot of random things I told you. They don't all go together. They're just random things. But hopefully they help you, give you some stuff to play with. So if you like this video, please click like. If you have any other cool random type tips that you'd like me to share, put them in the comments. I'll add them to another video. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.